There are three types of common connections, if there is a DFE connection to a printer. The first connection is a TCP/IP connection. If the DFE and RIP are installed on the same PC, then the IP can be set as a localhost IP, 127.0.0.1. Or when the DFE and RIP are on different PCs, then the TCP/IP and the RIP driver needs to be set as the DFE PC's IP. For these two types of connections, if the DFE and RIP are on the same or a different PC, you should always keep the DFE running. Secondly, using a custom port, here the DFE and RIP have to be installed on the same PC. And thirdly, if you choose folder output, then you need to set a destination folder to output a physical file. I will now show you an example using a Royal TCP/IP connection. 1. Submit a file and check the status until the processing and printing status are completed. 2. Go to the Royal DFE and check the Operation tab. 3. You will see the progress is running. Next I will show you an example of the Royal folder output. 1. Submit a file from RIP. 2. Go to the Royal DFE and click Task Select. 3. Find the predefined RIP output folder and select an output file. 4. Double-click the output file and click OK for printing. In the next example, we will see the Hosonsofe TCP/IP connection. 1. The TCP/IP can be set as a localhost IP, 127.0.0.1. 2. Both the RIP and DFE have to be installed on the same PC. Now we will see an example of the Hosonsofe folder output. 1. Set a folder for output and submit a file. 2. Go to the Hosonsofe DFE. 3. Find the output folder from the left panel of the DFE. And double-click the file. 4. Select a file that is in the job list. And click the Print button on the top of the left corner to print. In this next example, we will look at the BYHX connection. 1. The TCP/IP can be set as a localhost IP, 127.0.0.1. 2. Both the RIP and DFE have to be installed on the same PC. Now you will see an example of the BYHX folder output. 1. Set a destination folder for the RIP output. 2. Submit a file. 3. Go to the BYHX DFE. 4. Click the Add Job button on the top of the left corner. 5. Find the RIP's output folder and select a file. 6. If you right-click the job, in the job list, you will be able to delete or add a new job. 7. Double-click the job and click OK to start printing. Remember, no matter what kind of DFE it is, always make sure the DFE is running when using a direct connection.